bad boy just arrived full of plus size dresses. Let's open it up. Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Brittany. I am also known as SHOPFOXBURROW, and today I have a huge vintage plus size wholesale order of all dresses that I am going to be doing a partial unboxing of. There's like a lot of them, so I'm not going to be able to unbox all of them, but yeah, I'm really excited to break into this. If you are new to this channel, this is part of a series that I am doing about finding, sourcing, and listing plus size or extended size vintage in your vintage shop to become a more body positive and size inclusive brand. So if that sounds interesting for you, I will link that playlist down below, and you can, when you finish watching this video, go and check out my other videos about how to source, hiring a plus size model, and just stuff like that. So let's go ahead and crack open this box. Okay, here we go. Alright. Look at all those colors! Okay, let's start pulling some of them out and I'll talk about them. So, let's see what this is. These are all supposed to be dresses, all supposed to be plus size. This is my second order from this company, and my first order, I was very happy with it. So, this is, I think it just looks like a handmade, I'm going to say handmade, just a little shift dress, but really cute. And I like the, what is this? Miss Johnny Cotton Resin Finish Company. This is interesting. I'm gonna have to look that up because that's very interesting. But I really love the colors on this. I just think that's a super cute sundress. I'm gonna say that one's probably, it'll probably fit like a 2, like a 1 or 2X, I think. This one is Eddie Bauer. This is actually size large, but definitely has the oversized sort of aesthetic to it, so I think that it would probably fit much larger than a size large, because I'm a large, and I mean I have a good amount of room, so I think probably an extra large, maybe a 1X could fit into this one. I think the hips would be maybe a little tight. I'm not sure. I have to measure that one and see, but definitely really cute. And I love the white corduroy. This I'm not insane about. This would have been like part of a 2-piece set, but the set got split. So this one is a size 20. By some brand called Betsy's Things, and the top is just like a plain, it's like a tank dress sort of. I mean, you could wear it by itself, and it does have like a pretty rose floral down here, but I'm just not as insane about that as some of the other stuff. Everyone loves polka dots. I am no exception. Let's see what this is. This is a size 18 polka dot dress. Oh, that's so cute, because it's got a single button up here, and then it's sort of like that fit and flare type of style. It's cinched in at the waist, and it has like a nice big full skirt, and it looks like about a half sleeve on that one, so that's really cute. This one I'm also not super crazy about. It's sort of like a beach cover-up. It doesn't, it just says plus size here. I'm not even sure if it is truly vintage or not, but yeah, I mean, I'm not crazy about that one. It looks like it has some sort of like color bleed or something here on the back. So, okay, this looks like a muumuu type dress. Yeah. Oh, it's a Hilo Hattie. This one is a size extra large. So not truly plus size, but I do love Hilo Hattie. That is cute. It is a great like black floral. Oh, but it has like this giant like paint or something like that here on the front. So, well, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's scratching off. So I might just be able to wash that. It might be okay. More polka dots. Oh, this is cute. This is a size 22W. So W means women, not wide. So it's a 22 women's, and it's just like a periwinkle polka dot, like jersey shift dress. Very cute and summery. So that, I like that one. With shipping, I paid somewhere around $3.50 a piece for these. This is like the most 90s thing I've ever seen. What is this? This is by some brand called Kingstone. This is what I would call like streetwear. This is a 2XL. And I know that there is going to be a market out there for this. It looks like it says Desigual, yeah, or Desigual, or whatever that brand is, you know. I'm gonna have to look this one up. But it might just be like a knockoff. I don't know. It's fun, but not necessarily my normal style. This is, I think, some kind of like robe or like shift type of thing. The tag looks like, is that Arabic? Please stop focusing on me. Is that Arabic? I don't know. Not sure. But I do like this embroidery here at the neck and the pocket. It does have some like weird fraying stuff I'm gonna have to like trim off, but I can definitely see cinching that in with a belt and adding a sun hat and making that pretty cute. This one is bright and fun. Another Hilo Hattie. This one is a size extra large. Definitely like that colorful print. Let's go for a plaid. This is a vintage white stag, so that would be from like Walmart back in the day. This is a medium. I mean, it's clearly like more on the oversized style, but I would not list this as a plus size because I don't like it when people do that. So, and this is a medium. I'll list it as a medium. It's got a nice tissue in the pocket and stuff, you know, but I do like the colors on that plaid. That one's cute. Let's see. This is More Jazz. I think that's the same as like All That Jazz, that brand. I really like that brand. This one is a size 20. I wonder if More Jazz is like their plus size brand, but very cute little dress with like it's like a skater length skirt, and this overlay is kind of sheer. I think that's really adorable. It's got nice fitting in the back and at the front, good darts. So that's really cute. I like that a lot. This is just a solid black, but it's by the same company, More Jazz. I don't see a size on that one. But that's pretty cute. It's just a little black dress, but I really like that shape. I like the brand All That Jazz, so if this is a subsidy company, it does not surprise me that I like these pieces too. You can see here. You can see it's got a really cute little shape. And everyone needs a good black dress. Okay, this is a Leslie Faye dress. It's a 16 petite. I'm honestly not crazy about this print, but I think I can make it cute. The neckline is super gross, so it's gonna have to be washed. But it has the little tie back, and yeah. Oh, I like the buttons on this one. Let's see if I can show you. Here we go. Pale pink. I do see a couple stains right away. This is by Jeffrey and Dara. I actually have something else by this brand that I found recently. This one is a size 18. It seems to have like a tie back and like a lace bodice. It has a little flutter sleeve. That's cute. Little flutter sleeve. But it's just like a midi dress with a very like Princess Diana aesthetic to it. Very 80s. I picked this box because it had a lot of florals. I love florals. Florals and polka dots and stripes. This is another more jazz dress. Again, really cute. This one is a size 18. Just so adorable. This one has little like rosettes at the neck, which is a sweet little detail. And again, it's got that like nice shape to it. And I like how the zipper comes so far down the back. It comes all the way down to here, so it would be easy to get in and out of. Alright, this box is huge. I'm just going to do a few more so you can kind of get an idea of what it's like if you order a wholesale lot, that you're going to have some stuff that you need to clean. It's not all going to come in pristine condition, especially if you're getting it at a lower price. Let's see, this one is almost like a tie-dye. It's a size 3X. That's a really cute little sundress. I do like that one. Tie-dye is in right now, so I like that. Do whatever this floral is. I like the tiny florals. This is this one doesn't seem to have a size. It looks like the tag was cut off, but judging by the head hole, I'm not going to say that it's too much larger than like a extra large or a 1X, just because generally like the scoop on the neck will be a little bit bigger, but this is like maxi length on me. Kind of cute though. I like it. Here's some kind of a fancy dress. I don't think this is vintage. Maybe it is. I don't know. It's Betsy and Adam by Jocelyn, size 18W. And it's just like, well, I guess it's almost like one of those like 90s like Y2K prom dresses maybe. Yeah. Apparently people are doing prom this year and like everything else, so they're just like going for it in the southern states. And so I'll probably try and get this listed pretty soon. It has a weird like pinning situation here, so who knows what that means. I don't know if it has like a hole or the hem is coming down, or if they just wanted to pin it up so they could walk. I don't know. Alright. We'll do 3 more. This is like a sort of like Regency aesthetic, like brocade dress, and it has these little like, this is too sweet for my normal aesthetic, but I do like that it has the lace up back to it. That's cute. And I like that the pearls go all the way down the front. I do like that. I will list this, but let's see. It's a size 18. This is interesting. What is this? Okay. This looks like a tree skirt or something. MSZ High Fashion, size XXL. This is like the 80s version of like Chinese knockoff situation. Look at these sleeves. This is like over the top. Yeah, I mean, Interesting. It's got some rhinestones here. I don't know. I don't know. It's a maxi length. We'll see. Maybe I can make it cute. This is a sweet little spring like linen-y dress. I do like the embroidery on the front. It is, let's see, almost maxi length, and it's got some more matching embroidery down here at the hem, and it's got like a split side hem. So I think this would be really cute with like some platform sandals and like a sun hat and like a market bag, something like that. Okay, so this will be the last one. The tag's cut out of this. Oh, that's really cute. It's like a 80s secretary dress. I do like the colors. That'd be really good for fall, but I do think it would work for spring too. It's got these big like gold buttons that go down the front. They are slightly asymmetrical, I believe. And then it's about midi length. Yeah, so that one is cute. I like that. So that is kind of a little sneak peek of what you might get if you pick up wholesale order. While these are not necessarily all things that I would go and pick up in a thrift store, I do think it's nice, and there's definitely a virtue to having it delivered to your doorstep and not have to stress about finding so much plus size stuff. I can't say that I will list every single one of these in my, Etsy shop, but I do feel like the ones that I do list will even out the ones that I decide to redonate. Some of them I might take into my vintage booth if I'm willing to like price them a little bit lower. Yeah, so I feel like it's a good value for what it is, and I'm happy with this purchase. So I am not going to tell you my source for finding these. There are just some things that we have to keep to ourselves, but you are more than welcome to research vintage wholesale and plus size and see if maybe you can find some options for yourself. So I hope that this video was helpful, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.